In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stop on the Waze live map in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to waze.com/livemap. Once the page loads, you'll see the Waze live map interface, which lets you plan a route directly from your browser. This is useful if you want to preview directions before starting your trip, especially when you need to include more than just a starting point and a final destination. When you're on the map, begin by entering your initial Point A starting zone. This is the place where your route will begin. After that, enter your final Point B destination address. Be as accurate as possible when typing these locations so the route is generated correctly. If needed, take a moment to confirm that the map reflects the areas you intended to select. This helps avoid mistakes later, especially if there are multiple places with similar names. Once both the starting point and destination have been entered, look beneath the destination input area. You should see an Add a Stop button marked with a plus sign. This is the option you'll use when you want to include an extra stop between your starting location and your final destination. Go ahead and click the Add a Stop plus sign icon. After selecting it, the map interface will prepare your route for an additional stop, allowing you to build a more flexible trip. This feature is especially helpful if you're planning to pick something up, make a quick visit, or break up a longer drive with an intermediate location. As you work through this, make sure you're clicking the correct icon beneath the destination fields, since that's the control specifically designed for adding another stop to your route. If the map takes a second to respond, just give it a moment, as browser-based tools can sometimes need a little time to update. And that's it. You've now opened the Waze live map in Google Chrome, entered your starting point and destination, and selected the option to add a stop. From here, you'll be ready to continue customizing your route as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.